Hello everybody, this is George Taylor from Imagineering and I am so excited. I just got my copy of The Happiest Place on Earth, The Incredible Story of Walt Disney's Disneyland by Hahn and Christopher Merritt, celebrating, of course, 70 years of Disneyland history. Haven't even opened this book, so I'm so excited. Let's take a look at it and see. I really expected a lot from Hahn and Christopher Merritt, and I think I'm going to get it. That's gorgeous. Okay, let's jump through and see what this book has got for us. Hope you enjoy this preview. So here's the table of contents. Looks like it goes by each land, which is fantastic. And they've got endnotes, so I'm very excited, and image credits. Okay. So let's take a look and see. So some history of Disneyland, of course, as you can expect, how we got to Disneyland. Oh my gosh, they cover the Chicago Railroad Fair. If you don't know about that, look it up. You can't be a Disney fan without knowing that. So we've got some images of Walt and some of the early ideas for Disneyland. We're going to jump ahead. Oh my gosh, I've never seen this map before in my life. Marvis Davis Preliminary Scheme number 1. Wow. Okay, I'm excited. So some more familiar things, some news, beginnings, planning. All right. Oh gosh, and the text. There's so much text. This is awesome. It's not just a picture book. Wow. Okay. And I'm sorry if I'm going too fast, but I think off this, you need to buy this book already. Wow. Okay. I'm 53 pages into it, and there's still so much of the book left. Oh my gosh, look at this concept art. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm getting super excited here. Yeah, but Christopher Merritt, Hahn, they know their stuff. If you don't know Hahn, producer extraordinaire, and Christopher Merritt has written so many books, including the amazing 2-volume Mark Davis set, which this is gonna compete with seriously. Whoa, this is amazing. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. Okay. So much artwork, so much going on in this book. Oh, these photographs are gorgeous. Wow. Okay, I'm 2.5 minutes into this video and not even halfway through the book because I am going through it very quickly. This is spectacular. I mean, Disneyland now has been around for 70 years. It set the bar for theme parks around the world. I mean, it wasn't the first to use. I mean, it was the first to be used. The term theme park was first to be used with Disneyland. But you know, you need to look and see about Knott's Berry Farm and Santa Claus Land. Look at those. A little history for you. Okay. Gosh, this book is stunning. Oh my gosh. I've seen a lot of these pictures before, but there are a lot of pictures I've never seen before. Like how to make them. Was that how to? It's how they made a poster. Wow. Okay. Oh, the Columbia Indian Village. This is, look at that concept artwork. Come on, guys. I was going to say stop the video and buy the book, but wait, finish the video so I get the views, please. And then, explaining what dark rides are, Aero Developments. Look at this Alice in Wonderland stuff. Wow. This book is stunning. Oh my gosh. I'm very excited. Normally I don't like any type of spoilers, but I think giving you guys the preview, make sure you understand that this book is worth it. Oh, wow. Kudos to Don and Christopher. This book is stunning. Tomorrowland, obviously. And I look at the colors on the side of the book. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked, but they've divided up the lands by the colors. Wow. Okay. I'm obviously very excited about this. Ah, the spaceman eating a turkey dinner. Oh my gosh, this is great. Oh, look at that cutaway. For Circarama. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to pour over this book. This book is wow. Okay, you guys have done it. Wow. I know I went through this book fairly quickly. I shouldn't have gone so quickly, but it is gorgeous. Look at this. And they've got endnotes. They talked about where all their information came from. This is perfect for future historians and researchers. Wow. And I got to give a shout out let's see, where is... All right, so they've got all the images and all the credits here. So all these photographs were provided. And my good friend Aaron Goldberg, who's written one of the best history books about Disney World and how the company bought all the land and did everything, he's got a photo in here, but I'm going to leave that for you guys to find it. What a stunning photo. Look at that. Representation from every land at Disneyland. This is astounding. Wow. Gorgeous, amazing, stunning. This book is absolutely fantastic. Go grab your copy now. Don't wait till Christmas. This is going to be a huge Christmas book, even though we're months away. You are going to absolutely love this book. Even if you're just a fan of Disney World, this book is a treasure. Wow. Don Hahn and Christopher Merritt, thank you so much for this. All the Disney nerds appreciate your hard work and effort on this. This is amazing. So go out and grab a copy now. I'm George Taylor from Imaginerding, and I hope to see you in the parks.